Hello everyone, and welcome to the July episode of oneAPI Dev News. I'm your host, Jerry McCarr from IDZ Studios, and as usual, you can follow up on everything I shared today by clicking on the links in the description. For our first story, watch the video featuring the CEO of CodePlay Software, Andrew Richards, as he delivers a special session at ISC 2024. In his keynote address, he talks about the impact of oneAPI and the Unified Acceleration Foundation on the future of software development. He talks about the challenges facing developers, vendors, and innovators, and he dives into the vision behind an open ecosystem of software and hardware that makes it easy for users to choose the right technologies and for innovators to bring new ideas to the market. He also discusses how oneAPI and the UXL Foundation are bringing this vision to reality by providing an open software platform solution. Watch the replay and get an in-depth look at all of this and more, including demos and segments featuring some of our amazing partners. Additionally, check out the Intel at ISC 2024 webpage to see some of the featured demos that were showcased at the Intel booth during the event, including integrating AI into physics and HPC, NEMO climate modeling performance, the rise of Dawn for science, multimodal LLM with RAG integration, and language model-assisted generation of images and coherence. Moving on. Explore the exciting world of GenAI with Intel Gaudi accelerators in our expert-led workshop series. Why should you attend? You'll get hands-on experience working directly with Intel Gaudi accelerators, expert guidance from industry leaders and experts, and you'll learn cutting-edge techniques to help you stay ahead with the latest in AI development. Check out the schedule of events to see which workshops are coming up and to register for the ones that interest you the most. Register now to secure your place in these exclusive workshops and supercharge your AI development skills. And finally, another reminder to join us this September at Intel Innovation. We invite all you developers and technologists to join your peers, industry luminaries, startup entrepreneurs, and technologists from across Intel and the global technology community to solve the world's toughest challenges in AI and beyond together. Learn and get hands-on experience with the latest software and hardware development technologies, explore Intel and partner products and services, and network and collaborate across multiple developer communities to exchange unique ideas and perspectives. Don't just code the future, define it. Secure your spot at Intel Innovation September 24th and 25th in San Jose, California by being one of the first 100 to receive a free pass. Limited developer passes are available and you can register by following the link in the description. If you can't wait until September, check out Intel's Developer Zone at developer.intel.com. It's your official source for developing on Intel hardware and software and exploring Intel's most popular development areas and resources. That's all for this month. Thank you for joining me once again, and remember to like and share this video and subscribe to the Intel Software YouTube channel so you can stay up to date with all your oneAPI dev news. I'll see you next month.